Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Dodge Journey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, front and rear air conditioning, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, integrated rear child seats, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.